Hey Google, what's the date?
It's Monday, the 2nd of December 2024.
Shit!
Hey up, better late than never, question mark, I guess?
Nah, it's Sunday.
Sure, yeah, you are seeing this on... I mean, some of you might be seeing it on a
Yeah.
Sunday, just not the correct Sunday.
Yeah.
It's Advent time!
Yay!
So let's... What we got?
Well,
What we got?
we've got something a bit different this year. We've got,
Are you well?
we've got my lines.
You don't have lines. We make this up as we go along. Tell you what, just because you're useless at this, we've got a tea calendar this year. So, basically, brief story behind... Dropped it. Brief story behind us finding that was basically... in a previous life, had the T2 Advent calendar and thought, yeah, that's nice. And then up round our way where we live now, there's a bird and blend store, and I thought, well, they do similar kind of stuff. Popped in just to have a little look at the place, and they have an Advent calendar, so we just thought, yeah, why not?
Yeah.
So,
So, just as a preface, I'm not a tea person. I've had 2 cups of tea in my entire life,
oh well, that's not as many as I
and
have.
both of them were crap.
Oh dear. I've had tea, but I'm also generally not a tea person either. I tend to go for the cold drinks. But yeah, so we've got 24 things of allegedly 2 tea bags in each one, and
Yeah?
I suppose nothing better than just to get on with it, shall we? So we've got this cube number 1. Do you want to make any guesses as to what?
I think it's going to have tea in it.
Oh, okay, fine. That's boring of you.
I think it's going to be tasty.
We've got one that's making me wish I'd prepared and got milk in.
Oh.
It's gingerbread chai.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. It's over there now.
Yeah, well, that's where we're going to have to go and make it.
Suppose, yeah, let's
go and make it.
let's go and make it. So, here we are in the kitchen. We have our cube. And let's see if I can do this one-handed. Hey. Oh, hey up, we've got tea bags. Let's have a look at this.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah, I'm actually impressed with that. There you go. Ooh. It's got tea in it. If it'll focus on the thing. Yeah, close enough. So, tea bag for... Oh, go on. If I can get the string to... There we go. Tea bag for me. And a tea bag for you. Would you like to do the honours on the kettle, given that you've never used one? Oh, your string's gone in.
I've used the kettle before.
Oh, have you now? Oh, blimey.
Yeah. Why wouldn't I have used the kettle?
You don't do tea ever. What use do you have for a kettle?
My job is making tea.
Oh yeah, you have a job. Right, anyway, do you want to flick the switch? The switch has been flicked.
Now prepare for water boiling, uncut, uninterrupted.
we've got hot water.
Yay!
Oh,
That
yeah.
bit was worth it.
Yeah, I can move my feet now. Oh, that was genuinely unpleasant film. I hope it was equally unpleasant to watch. Right, I'm going to attempt to pour with my right hand. Ah, missed.
Skill issue.
Very. Oh. And another one. Whee.
If only you had a co-host who could have held the camera or maybe held...
Yeah, well, you didn't offer. And also your teabags decided to take the tree in with it. Right, I'm going to let this steep for 4 minutes, and we'll join you back at the sofa. It's Cuppa tea time.
Yeah?
Cuppa tea.
Let it go.
So this was, what was it? It was the gingerbread
Ow.
chai. Now, this is actually one that we've tried in the shop. But we had it cold brew with oat milk.
Acknowledge that I've just spilt some all over myself.
Oh, you're wet now. You can actually see... Oh, dear.
Edit that out.
No.
Oh.
If anything, I'll make it more obvious. But yeah, no, so this is, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, it's wrong to have a chai with no milk in it, but
We have no
I
milk.
will rectify this going forward.
That's bloody nice still.
Oh.
I say, it's a spot.
Yeah, see, that's rather un-chai, but then again, I'm getting a weird mintiness from this. I'm just looking at the ingredients.
Mm-hmm.
It's got that tea that's impossible to pronounce. I'm going to go for it and say Rubios?
Oh, you're going to
Right.
get cancelled.
Sodom. It's got ginger, it's got cardamom, it's got cinnamon, it's got mallow flowers, vanilla pieces, and flavouring.
Mmm.
Gotta love some flavouring. But no, ooh. That is rather drinkable, that.
That is.
It's caffeine free as well, so that's lovely for any time of the night. That is a very nice, actually, end of the day kind of. Ooh. Of course, you know, opening up with one of their limited edition Christmassy ones.
Yeah.
Of course, we'll have to act fast if we want to get more of this one. Yeah, no, I can imagine how that would be with milk, and
Yeah.
and again, it's really nice as a cold brew. It's really
Also
nice as a hot brew.
It's really nice to wear.
Yeah, no, you're wearing it with style. Go on then. Now, I've not got a lot of context with which to do this, but do you reckon you could score this out of 10?
In its current state, I'd give this a 7. Just without the milk, and just as an on its own thing, this feels like a 7.
Okay, 7. That's around where I was thinking. I was thinking possibly a 6.5, but obviously, you know, I'm not going to go, oh yeah, it's a 6.782 as people do these days. No, you could do half steps and that's it. I'm going 6.5. But I can see this being a rather nice 8 if I'd done it properly.